Hello students, we are here to discuss the numericals which is based on the dimension analysis. In previous lectures, we come to understand how we are getting the dimensions of the physical quantity. Okay, now in this we will check the accuracy of the equation using the dimensions. Okay, now this is a very important point from the point of view of competitive examinations. Okay, so we'll go through this, check the accuracy of the equation of motion. Now see here, we have S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now here we know that S is what? Distance. S is distance covered. Now here ut, u is giving you the velocity, as u is giving you the velocity, a is giving you acceleration, and time, t is time. Now see here, this left hand side is a distance. It is giving you the representation of distance. ये क्या बताना आपको कि ये distance है और इस distance की जो इक्वेशन हमको मिल के आ रही बन के आ रही है, द इक्वेशन विच वी आर गेटिंग ut प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर. अब इसमें u जो पैरामीटर है वो वेलोसिटी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, t जो है वो टाइम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, और हियर यू विल सी a इज एक्सेलरेशन. मींस अब सिंपल सी बात है कि जो डिस्टेंस है वो इसके इक्वल होना चाहिए. मींस ये पोर्शन भी क्या होना चाहिए? डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए. ut इज आल्सो डिस्टेंस. Now if we go with the dimensions of this S, so here it is the dimension of S, that is distance, that is length, which will be given by L. Means the left hand side is having only dimensions length L. Okay, now we will go with the right hand side now. Now we just count that u into t is equal to distance, and this also equals to say 80 square. It will be also equal to distance. Okay, now see here, if we go with the ut, u is the velocity and t is the time. Now we know the definition of velocity. Velocity is here L upon t is time t, which is going to be L. Means ut is going to be equal to this dimensions S L. Okay, now similarly we'll go with the at square. Now see here, what is at? A is time rate of change of velocity. Means we are having this a is equal to L upon t square. At square, a is equals to L upon t square, where t is t square. So finally what we are getting? We are getting L. This is the length, the dimensions which we are getting. Means if we go through this in left hand side, we are having length, and right hand side we are also getting the length. Here it is L plus L, it has no meaning, only we are getting only the dimensions parameter here. 1 upon 2 has no meaning over here. Okay, similarly there is no addition. Means here also length and here it is also this. Means both sides are equal. When both sides are equal, means it is dimensionally correct. It is dimensionally correct. Only here the disadvantage of this dimensionally incorrect, correct, but here we are not having any meaning over here 1 upon 2. Okay, so what accuracy of the equation is? This equation is accurate. This equation is accurate. Okay, now we will go with the next one, which is given to us. Check whether the following equation is dimensionally correct. Again here if we go with this, it is half mv square, which is for kinetic energy. We know that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. This is potential energy. P is equals to m into g into h. Now we will go with the dimensions. We will take first the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, half has no meaning. Numerical value has no meaning here. M, which we are having, M, we know that L upon T square. So it is going to be ml square t raised to the power minus 2, which we have got here. About the dimensions, now we will go with the mgh, that is potential. So here it is m, we can use for m. For g it is again acceleration, just we have got l upon t square मिल गया हमको, और h के लिए हमारे पास में l है. So it is also giving you ml square t raised to the power minus 2, means both the sides dimensionally correct. Here what we are getting, for potential energy we are also getting ml square t raised to the power minus 2. Similarly for kinetic energy we are also getting, means both the energies, kinetic energy and potential energy, is having the same dimensions. So this way we can analyze the dimensions. We'll go with these such examples also again. Now here we have got another question which is related on the dimension analysis. Find the dimensions of a upon b in the equation f is equals to a root x plus bt square, where f is the force, x is the distance and t is the time. The equation is given to you which is equal to force. Okay, now what we have to determine, we have to determine a upon b. We have to determine a upon b, means we have to determine first a and b, and then we have to take its ratio a upon b. Now see here, if we are writing this equation, force is equals to a under root x plus bt square. यहाँ देखें आप इक्वेशन को क्या लिख रहे हैं, f is equals to a root x plus bt square. अब सिंपल सी बात है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को देखें आप, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या दिख रहा है आपको, फोर्स. यहाँ क्या दिख रहा है, फोर्स, फोर्स का डायमेंशन. और राइट हैंड साइड में क्या दिख रहा है, वेरिएशन दिख रहा है. क्या है, x, यहाँ दिया उसने डिस्टेंस, t टाइम. बट यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा देखें कि फोर्स के इक्वल फोर्स ही हो सकता है, फोर्स के इक्वल कोई डिस्टेंस नहीं हो सकता, फोर्स के इक्वल टू कुछ दूसरा पैरामीटर नहीं हो सकता. मतलब इट मींस कि जो a रूट x है इक्वल टू क्या है, इट इज f, मींस a रूट x इज इक्वल टू f. नाउ वी नो द डायमेंशनल फार्मूला फॉर फोर्स, दैट इज ml t raised to the power minus 2. Left hand side में what we are getting this dimension formula. Okay, now we'll go with this. This is also a root x which is also going to be equal to f. ये भी फोर्स के इक्वल है, ये भी फोर्स के इक्वल है. तो हमने एक को ले लिया पहले, है ना. अब देखें हम यहाँ पे, तो हमको क्या मिल रहा है, a is equal to f upon root x. f we have this ml t raised to the power minus 2. It is l under root x is the distance, distance के लिए l dimensions है. Now here we are getting ml, इसकी पावर l to the power 1/2 हो जाएगी, t raised to the power minus 2. ये डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा तो it will give you the plus 1/2 and t raised to the power minus 2, which is not required here. So what we have got? We have got the a. Now similarly b into t square, which is also equal to f. We are going to have this now, bt square which is equals to ml t raised to the power minus 2. फोर्स के इक्वल कर दिया हमने इसको, we have taken it equal to force. Now we will see, अब देखते हैं क्या होगा. b equals to, now t square है, ये क्या है, t square है. Now this is t square, so we can write instead of t dimensions of t. Okay, so here what we are getting, ml t raised to the power minus 4. We have got b is equal to ml t raised to the power minus 4, and a. Now what we have to determine, a upon b. We can take it here, a upon b, which is going to be the value of, हम यहाँ रख देंगे, सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, t to the power minus 2 divided by ml t to the power minus 4. Now this m to m cancel, l 1/2 minus 1, t minus 2 plus 4. Ultimately what we are getting, L to the power minus 1 by 2 and t to the power plus 2. So this way what we have got the desired answer a upon b. ये चाहिए था हमको, तो ये डायमेंशंस को यूज करके हमको इसको करना है. वी हैव टू डू इट लाइक दिस. ओके, नाउ इज इट क्लियर? आई थिंक सो. फोर्स है, फोर्स की इक्वल फोर्स होगा, फोर्स ही होगा. फोर्स में फोर्स ही ऐड हो सकता है, फोर्स में एनर्जी ऐड नहीं हो सकती. फोर्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, तो राइट हैंड साइड में जितनी भी इक्वेशंस होंगी वो भी इक्वल टू फोर्स है. अब इसको देखें, सेकंड जो क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे, द वेंडर वॉल्स इक्वेशन फॉर अ गैस इज P अपॉन AV स्क्वायर V माइनस B RT. हमको पता है P प्रेशर को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, V जो है वॉल्यूम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. यहाँ पे देखें हम A अपॉन B स्क्वायर है. अब यहाँ पे देखें इसको P प्लस AV स्क्वायर, तो प्रेशर में आप प्रेशर को ही ऐड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, गुलाब जामुन में पेड़े को ऐड नहीं कर सकता. गुलाब जामुन और पेड़ा दोनों अलग दिखेंगे, दे विल डिफरेंशिएट. ओके, सिमिलरली यहाँ पे व्हाट वी हैव टू डू विद दिस, नो दिस इज प्रेशर, सो दिस विल बी आल्सो प्रेशर. So we can write this P is equals to A upon V square. This is pressure. So pressure is equal to, we know that, force upon area, cross sectional area. Force we have just got it, mLT raised to the power minus 2 and divided by this L square. Area, length into breadth. So here what we are getting? We are getting mL minus 1 T raised to the power minus 2. This is for pressure. Means this is also equal to pressure. This is also equal to pressure. So we can substitute it here. Okay. So we are getting it here, pressure, which is going to be mL minus 1 T raised to the power minus 2 V square. Again volume is there. I am writing it like this. Volume we know, length into breadth. So dimensional formula for this L cube we have to, so we can write it like this, V L to the power 3 whole to the power 2, which is going to be A. So what we are getting, mL raised to the power minus 1 T raised to the power minus 2 L raised to the power 6A. So here what we are getting, mL to the power 5 T to the power minus 2, which is going to be equal to A. This is the result which we have got it here. We have got the value of A. Now see here, if we go with this, that is V minus B. I am writing it here. V minus B, V is volume, and volume में से आप वॉल्यूम को ही सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, मास को नहीं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते, ना आप प्रेशर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते, ना फोर्स को. मीन्स ये भी क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम ही होगा. तो B इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम ही होगा. And the dimensions formula of volume is L to the power 3. So what we have got? We have got B is equal to L cube. This is the dimension. Now you can substitute here m to the power 0, t to the power 0. Not necessary, but if you want to represent it in all dimensions, means m, l, t, L cube. So इस टाइप से डायमेंशंस एनालिसिस से रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको हमको स्पेस पे करना है, एंड दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ नीट एंड जेई मेंस एग्जाम, जेई एग्जाम्स. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट हियर.